Yo, what is up guys, Zoompad here, back with another video, and today we're going to take a look at the Zoompad by Meletrix. So shout out to Meletrix for sending this prototype out, and this is the Zoompad. You already know they had to come out with a number pad with their Zoom series, and specifically this one's designed to pair with the Zoom 75. But with that said, let's get started. So looking at the design, it looks very similar to the Zoom 75. The shape, material, the finish, perfectly all matches with the 75. The front and the back height are also the same and have a typing angle of 5 degrees. This prototype looks a bit higher than the Zoom 75 because of the feet. They're a bit taller, but Meletrix told me that in the mass production, they're gonna have the same feet as the Zoom 75, so they'll be the same height. The Zoompad has triple mode PCB so that you can connect via Bluetooth, USB receiver, or wired in mode. And in Bluetooth mode, you can connect up to 3 devices and toggle it between each. The mounting style is the same, utilizing those long gasket strips that you put on like socks on the side of the plate. And it'll have a 600 milliamp battery that can be charged through USB-C. And what's nice is that if you have multiple knobs from when you bought the Zoom 75 or 65, those same knobs will be compatible to use on the Zoompad, so they're all interchangeable. Also, there'll be a carry bag that you can add on as an option, and it'll look similar to the wave bag like the Zoom 75, and it won't look like this black bag. And here's a little short sound test of the Zoompad. So there's a bunch of options to choose from, and you can check out their configurator on their website to find out how you want yours to look like. The group buy will start sometime in July, and the price will start at $79 for the wired version, $85 to $89 for the essential edition, and $95 to $99 for the special edition. And of course, all the links will be down below. And that's it for this one. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys not following me on Instagram or Twitter, please go give me a follow over there. And thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys.